Are you in charge of getting dinner on the table? It sounds simple enough, right? Well, we all know it's anything but. That's where DinnerTime comes in. It's the totally automated meal planning solution that's putting an end to America's everyday what's for dinner drama. Want to save money? Simply set your budget. Too busy to fuss? Just let us know. Have dietary restrictions or health concerns? Want to lose weight? Have picky eaters? DinnerTime's got you covered. You'll get a delicious meal plan that's perfectly customized for your family using on-sale ingredients at your favorite store. You'll get a deeply personalized plan, shop, cook solution that helps you get dinner on the table in less time, with less stress and less expense than ever before. So come along, don't spend another day guessing and stressing. Join today and serve up some happiness tonight at DinnerTime.